teach you, I shall, how to replace the main brush module of a Roomba when the motor failed it has. Remove the dustbin, first you must. The battery, take it out, you will. Still usable, the rollers are. Onto the new module, transfer them, you shall. Visible, the masking tape must be. Check roller spin after replacement, you will. Now, remove the brush, you must. Harm, stubborn it is, remove, it will not. Flip it over, you should. Remove the bottom cover and the module, yes. Direction, check you must. The new module, set it in place, you will. Fix the module, then close the cover, you must. Install the brush again, do. Battery, return it to its place, you shall. The dustbin, also restore. And now, the final test, Working, it is. Spinning, the roller is. Fixed, your Roomba is. Yes. Much joy, there is. Watched, you have. Grateful, I am.